Starting a YouTube channel might seem a little scary at first. Don't worry, it's actually pretty cool and simple once you know what to do. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way, step by step, to create a YouTube channel with the latest techniques and optimization. You don't need fancy equipment to get started on YouTube. Okay, so it's that simple. You might want to open your YouTube app right here. So after you've opened your YouTube app, at your bottom right corner, you see the U sign over there, and then you click on the U sign over there, and then you select sign in. After selecting sign in, you click on continue. YouTube account is connected to email.com.gmail. So if you have a Gmail account, you can skip this part right here. Or else if you don't have, you click on use another account, and then you create a new Gmail account. You may be asked to add your date of birth, your name, and then your phone number to verify your account. After creating your account, you see my name right here, and then you see manage videos. You would like to add channel description and others. So we click on the pencil sign right here, and then you see channel settings. So here is where you can change your channel name, and then your handle is where most people can reach out to you, and then the channel URL, that's your HTTPs, and then your description, you can add a description right here at your channel. Okay, so after creating your account, doing the channel settings and then all that, there's one massive step that beginners completely overlook, and then it's hiding right in your YouTube studio. Once your channel is set up, the first place you should visit is your YouTube studio. But here is where most beginners completely miss: channel customization. You don't want to miss the channel customization aspect. So what you need to do is that you open your browser, and then you search for YouTube Creator Studio, whatever. So after opening YouTube Creator Studio, you've already signed in at the YouTube app, so your account will just open like that, and then here you see your dashboard. So once you've seen your dashboard, you click on the down left corner, you see the settings over here. You click on the settings. After clicking on the settings, here is the real deal, the channel customization. So you select the channel right here, and then you see some basic infos. So country of residence, and then you can add some keywords. The keywords, you can add what your channel is about, and then some tags you can add. So you can click on the advanced settings here. Well, if your channel is not made for kids, you can select no, it's not made for kids, so that your video will not be published to kids. So you can do more settings here, the feature eligibility. If you wanna do 50 minutes and above video, or you wanna add a thumbnail to your video, here is the settings you need to do so that you can add the thumbnail. You see the intermediate features right here. You're not asked to do much. You just need to put your phone number in there, and then you verify that aspect. We are still at the settings side. You don't wanna keep repeating things after every upload, so you can do default upload settings, so that you wanna upload a video, you don't need to write subscribe to my channel and then a whole lot of that thing, the tags, the everything. So we click on the upload default right here, and then you see some basics info. So you can add a title to describe your video, the description about your video, this about your channel, and then the visibility. You can add the tags, rapidtags.io. You can search your channel, what your channel is about, and then you copy and paste the tags right here. So you click on the more advanced settings, and then you can make some settings also right here, and then you can go to permissions. The permissions, maybe you want someone to have access to your YouTube channel, you want an editor, someone to check the thumbnail, someone to reply your comments right here on YouTube. So you go to permissions, and then you can invite whoever you want right here, so that the person can also manage your account. So after doing the settings, the upload default, the permissions, and then the other settings, you check the top left, you see some features right there. You click on the pencil sign right here. Here is where you can add your channel banner, your profile picture, your description. You can add ChatGPT or DeepSeek to write a description for your channel. You can add a link, you can add your Instagram handle, Facebook handle, or your other handles, so that people can reach out to you. You can also add a watermark you can add your photo, or you can just write something like a subscribe. You can add a subscribe button right here at the watermark side. So many creators forget these steps and they wonder why their channel looks empty or uninviting. Customizing your channel is like opening a window shop. You want people to stop, look, and then subscribe. And that's how to create a YouTube channel right from your phone. So before you start uploading, the next big question is, what should your channel be about? There's one critical step you don't want to miss: choosing the right niche. Before, I know you are still figuring that out. Before you figure it out, luckily I made a video previously on how to choose the right niche for your channel. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot than you think. See you in the next one.